my name is Hope Opia. I work with the U.S. Forest Service and the Environment for Americas. I am stationed at Medicine Bow Route at Laramie, Wyoming.
What has been the highlight of your internship?
Wow, such a tough question. The highlight of my internship has really been the connections I've been able to make with everybody. I love all my coworkers. They've been able to make my transition to living in Laramie be a really great one. I've been able to do a lot of activities outside of work with them, as well as gain a lot of experience doing new things I've never done before at my internship location.